So I have just arrived at Fort William Station and I'm about to do something that I'm very excited about because I'm going on the Hogwarts Express. It's actually the Jacobite Express. It runs from Fort William to Mallaig, goes over the famous viaduct from Harry Potter, and it was the same train used in the movies. So yeah, I'm excited. The journey takes about 2 hours each way, and then you get a 2-hour stop in Mallaig, which is just enough time to have a little walk around, maybe eat some fish and chips by the sea. And what's really good is that on the way back they swap sides over, so if you were sitting on the left on the way over, you can sit on the right on the way back, which means you get both views out of each window. The whole trip takes about 6 hours from Fort William to the coast and back, and it goes through some amazing scenery. So it's a really fun day out, but especially if you're a Harry Potter nerd like me, because a lot of the landscapes you go through are places where the movies were actually filmed, and the train scenes from the movies were filmed in the first class carriages of the Jacobite Express. But if you just want to see the train and you're not too fussed about actually riding on it, then you can also just pop to a viewpoint above the Glenfinnan Viaduct and watch it pass, and it is absolutely spectacular, and I have a whole blog post about how to do that, so just click the link below.